Hello, bankers. A very good evening to all of you. Welcome back. So, guys, in this particular session, we are going to discuss around JAIB November 2025 exam registration process, right? So, as we all know, our registration, which already started for November 2025 examination. Okay. So, registration for JIB and DBF examination will start from today. That already started again. So now there are few steps which you have to remember while you like apply for this particular examination. Okay. First, I'll show you the second step. Okay. Once you'll take, like, there are few steps. First one is you have to take membership of IIBF. After your membership, you have to log in to this IIBF profile, and then you have to apply for this examination, right? So this is the second step. Like, once you'll do the login, once you'll take the membership, ordinary membership for this particular examination, you'll see this particular window, members or non-members, right? So let's say if I'll click on this particular one, this is my membership ID, right? So if I'll put this particular code LYMHY, so it will reflect like this. Sorry, um, LYMHY. So if I'll submit this particular one again, so okay, there is some issues with the password, I guess. It should not be. Huh, okay. So if once we log in this particular one again, so this message will reflect. Now, if you, this is your profile after creation of profile. How to create this particular profile, that I'll also show you, right? So your left side, you can see these many windows. Okay. So if you come with this particular one, apply for examination. Okay. So later on, like once they release the notification, sorry, your admit cards and others, everything will be available here also. Even you can edit your profile also, or change password and other, everything is available. Okay. So if you come to the apply for examination, so see, as a non-banker, it is showing diploma in banking and finance. If I click on this particular one, so it is already showing that you have passed this particular examination. But in your case, once you'll apply for this particular one, so they will generally, here you'll see one message around November 2025 GIB examination apply. Then once you'll click on that particular apply, so they'll ask for the payment. So after the fulfillment of that particular payments, like your registration will happen, right? So now earlier there was an option to select the center or the time slot, बट इन द प्रीवियस सेशन इटसेल्फ दे रिमूव दैट पर्टिकुलर वन. ठीक है, तो पहले आपको ये लिबर्टी मिलती थी कि आप कौन सा सेंटर सेलेक्ट करना चाहते हैं सिटी के अंदर, एज वेल एज आपका जो टाइम प्रेफरेंसेस है वो, बट अभी वो हटा दिया गया है. आपके जीआईबी एग्जामिनेशन से 15 डेज पहले आपको आपका एडमिट कार्ड मिलेगा. ठीक है, 10 to 15 डेज. एंड वंस यूल डाउनलोड दैट पर्टिकुलर, हाउ यूल डाउनलोड, आपको यहीं पे लॉग इन करना होगा. ठीक है, सो डाउनलोड करेंगे तो डाउनलोड के बाद यू विल सी your venue or your time slot also. Now, this was the second process or final process. But before that, you have to take membership from IIBF. So when it comes to membership, what you have to do, that means this will be your very first steps. ठीक है, तो ये सबसे पहला स्टेप आपका होने वाला है. You have to apply for the membership. ठीक है, तो अगर आप membership के लिए अप्लाई करेंगे यहाँ पे, ठीक है, so here they have given everything in detail. ठीक है, जैसे if you want to go through the instructions and all, that is also there. Okay, so once you click on ordinary member registration, if you click on this particular one, you have to fill a simple form. ठीक है, बहुत ही सिंपल है, इसमें कुछ ज़्यादा डिटेल नहीं है. योर नेम, then middle name, last name, full name. ठीक है, then you have to mention your address also, and later on if you wish, or if you got transferred from one city to another city, you can also change this particular one. ठीक है, अब देखो ये जो सेंटर वाला this address है ना, earlier they used to send the certificate also, but now they do not send any certificates. ठीक है, physical certificate नहीं आते, they send you your certificate on your mail ID. तो मेल आईडी का सिलेक्शन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ऐसी मेल आईडी ऑप्ट करें जो आपके साथ परमानेंट, तो पर्सनल ईमेल आईडी को यहाँ पे रखिए रादर देन द बैंक. ठीक है, सो योर लाइन ऑफ एड्रेस and you can click on permanent address as the resident address. ठीक है, date of birth and आपका gender qualification. ठीक है, then your this is about the okay, please specify, but it is not coming here, I guess. ठीक है, okay, so अच्छा, okay, this is your bank name. ठीक है, institute name आपका, your bank. Let's say if you are working with any XYZ bank. ठीक है, let's say if you are working with Bank of India. ठीक है, so you will select this particular one. ठीक है, then your branch office address. ठीक है, your designation in this particular branch. ठीक है, then your employee ID is very important here, which you'll get through the IBA itself. ठीक है, और आपके पास जो है date of joining, you have to mention your date of joining, email ID आपका. ठीक है, then you'll get OTP and your phone number. ठीक है, mobile number and Aadhaar number. ठीक है, you have to provide photographs and you have to scan your signature also. ठीक है, these are the one. Apart from this, you have to give one you have to upload the ID proof and one declaration also. ठीक है, so mandatorily upload the declaration from sign or stamp by the branch manager ID. ठीक है, so your branch manager will, you have to apply with this particular one from your branch manager, and their stamp and signature should be there, so that you have to upload in this particular one. ठीक है, so then once it is done, ठीक है, once it is done, then you have to accept and review and proceed for the payment. So sorry, so your first process will be, you have to take membership of IIBF. ठीक है, IIBF की आपको membership लेनी है. You have to make that payments. ठीक है, so after payment sometime it take around 3 to 4 hours to update. ठीक है, जैसे आपने अपना IIBF का membership ले लिया, तो उसके जस्ट बाद आपका जो कहीं ना कहीं जब आप IIBF पे लॉग इन करेंगे, सो इट विल शो invalid credentials. Because let's say what you can do tonight, you can take this particular membership, or tomorrow you can take your membership. Just after that, एक बार आपका membership हो जाता है, ठीक है, then day after that you can apply for this one. ठीक है, so अभी जैसे पहले आपका early enrollments के benefit होते थे, but now they are not available. So अगर आप आज भरो या कल भरो या 21st से पहले कभी भी फॉर्म को फिल करते हैं, तो उससे ज्यादा कोई इम्पैक्ट नहीं आने वाला. ठीक है दोस्तों, so review payments and this, so you have to make this particular one. ठीक है, once you done with this particular one, again your sequence will be same. ठीक है, now you have to log in as a member. ठीक है, so they'll ask for the security code, your password, which you will receive through the email. You have to submit, then it will show like this. ठीक है, so same window you can see here. So if you'll come to the exam, apply for the examination, so here it will be mentioned JIB. If you click on that particular one, again they'll same ask for the payments, proceed with the payments. Once you're done with that particular payments, you will be eligible for the upcoming examination. Okay, now one another thing, I hope everybody is aware about this particular one. Okay, so basically guys, your exam date and your registration will be valid till this for the November months. It is valid till your like 21st of August. Usually they extend this particular one, but that totally depend on the number of enrollments. ठीक है, आपका यहाँ पे जैसे आप देख सकते हैं 21st अगस्त को है, ठीक है, बट ट्राई की ये लेट फी आपका क्यों पे करना है 100 या 200 रुपीज विद इन 7th अगस्त. आप मतलब इफ यू हैव like if you are eligible, so you must go for this particular one. ठीक है, अगर आपका बैंक एग्जाम क्रैक हो चुका है तो आपको इस फॉर्म को जरूर फिल करना चाहिए, एंड दिस इज द बेस्ट टाइम टू अप्लाई फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर वन. योर दीज आर द एग्जाम डेट्स, एंड इफ यू वांट टू चेक द rule and syllabus, ठीक है, so you can download this particular curriculum also, right? And if you'll apply now, if you'll go through this one also, you'll directly jump to that particular one. ठीक है, so member login and then same things which is part of this particular one. All right, so this is a basic information how to register yourself and how to apply for JAIB November 2025 examination. For your preparation, we have already started classes on this channel itself. So you can like if you are new to our channel, you can subscribe this particular channel. You'll see concept classes as well as your practice sessions are already going on. So you can participate in these particular one, contribute on regular basis. ठीक है, थोड़ा थोड़ा करके contribute करते रहिए, and you have 90 days in your hand. ठीक है, so prepare well. कॉन्सेप्ट देखो, अभी जीआईबी का एग्जाम थोड़ा सा टफर हो, लाइक अगर हम पिछले सेशन की बात करें तो कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा सा टफ होना स्टार्ट हो गया है. ठीक है, यू विल सी स्टेटमेंट बेस्ड क्वेश्चन एंड अप्लाइड क्वेश्चन एंड केस स्टडीज. So to crack those particular one, you have to work on concept portion and all. Okay? And still, if you are facing any challenges, so there is a link given in the description box. You can fill that particular one, as well as like you can mention your queries in the comment section also. All right, guys. So wish you all the very best for your preparation. Prepare well and manage all the 4 subjects very well. ठीक है, तो चारों सब्जेक्ट का कॉम्बिनेशन अच्छे से प्लान करके चलिए. So you will be able to crack this particular examination in a single attempt itself, right? तो एक single attempt के अंदर possible है इस JIV एग्जाम को क्रैक करना. बस उसके लिए आपको चारों पेपर को बहुत अच्छे से मैनेज करके आपका स्टडी करना है, ठीक है. और अगर कोई डाउट्स होते हैं, कोई भी कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है और कोई भी हेल्प की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, so you can connect us with that form or you can mention into the comment section. All right, so wish you all the very best for your preparation, guys, and go for early registration. Wish you all the very best. Thank you.